Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look and have a tour of the technology assignments and activities that we have for our class in calculus. If we go to calculus and Sage Math Explorations on my webpage at kevinpowell.rf.gd, then we'll see the Calculus 1 explorations. Or for Calculus 2, there's Calculus 2 explorations, or Calculus 3, there's Calculus 3 explorations. Now, at the beginning of each one of these sets is an introduction to Sage Math. We'll click on it. So what we have right here is we have some boxes that have some code written in them. This is part of Sage Math, each of these boxes kind of run like a whole cell or whole scripting device that we can use for a computational software package called Sage Math. This can be accessed actually just freely by just typing in, let's see, sagecell.sagemath.org, and we're free to type in code right here. So this is freely accessible. You don't have to be on my website. However, I give some nice places here with some code already written in you can kind of start to play with. The whole intent is to have some kind of software package that does both coding, scripting, and math all at the same time. This is very useful for engineering and many other disciplines. Sage Math is very Python based, so this would come in great use in many fields. So for instance, we start by doing maybe a little simple loop. My intent is not to teach you coding, but rather just to get you some familiarity with some things when they are scripted. So in this particular example, let's just see what this does. Even if we don't understand what this means, let's just press the button execute. Notice that it printed the numbers 1 through 10. This says for k in 1 through 10, print k. Let's look at the instructions. Change the following loop to go over a different interval than 1 through 10. So we could change this. Maybe we could change the start to 1 to 10. So we might think, well, maybe that's where we change it. So let's try like 3 to 10, for instance. Notice it changed it. Or maybe 3 to 40. Oh, look, it changed it. So, and we can put it back to 10 here. That's just an example. We could go through another one let's see. So this is printing looks like some squares. It's printing squares of numbers. Square root of 1 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared. We're seeing that. Here, it just wants you to change this and make a new list. Just put maybe something like 11 in here. So we see 11 squared. So you notice how there's some instructions. So as you go through these technology assignments, just go through the instructions that it says and maybe just do something associated with it. Change it, execute it, go through. And when you're done playing with this, then go up here to save. And what that'll do, you can save it as an HTML file, download it, and then you upload it into Canvas in the proper assignment place. And that's pretty much the whole bit of this technology assignment. Now, I give you 5 different technology assignments to do. You have your pick. There's more than 5 listed here, perhaps, but you can just choose 5 of them to complete, and just make sure it's a different submission for each assignment. You can do it in any order. That's up to your choosing. So the intent of this is to give you experience with both scripting and mathematical computation, and see what's available, to gain a little bit of familiarity, just kind of modifying things that are already there. The whole bit of the technology assignments are just to modify, maybe to create a little bit. If you have questions, please let me know. But these are the assignments. Thanks for watching.